Hi everyone, it's Tammy with Southern Angels Boutique. Welcome to my channel. So this is kind of like a supplemental video, I guess you could call it, to the video that I just did, the last one I did. So the Victoria's Secret haul. I had forgotten to show this in the last video. I also had gotten this in the order, and this is the Victoria's Secret Bombshell Wildflower. It's their new fragrance. I had bought this for my daughter, and I had already given it to her, so I had forgotten to share this. Now, I wanted to tell y'all about this because I'm not usually real crazy about real flowery scents. I think they're kind of strong scented and everything. So I took a chance on actually getting this, and I wasn't real sure if she liked it also. And this isn't really too bad of a price, actually. $25 for this big old bottle. So, and they do have coupons. Actually, I just got a coupon out. And I think I got this at a good price too. I think I got it on sale, and because I think they're on sale now. So you might want to check them out. But this smells really good. It's not overly too strong. It's not, you know, too light. It smells really nice. It's a good light flowered smell. It's not just like really overly powered. If you don't like anything that's like too strong, but you can smell it. It's just a real nice fresh smell. So if you want to go there and check it out, check it, you know, do that before you buy it. But I just want to come on here and let y'all know about it, about their new fragrance. I know they have a lot of different Bombshell fragrance, but yeah, I had bought this for her, and she likes it. She said it wasn't one of her favorite ones. I think she said she liked some of the others, but she did like it. Now I really like it, so I am actually going to get me one with the coupon that I've got. So I told her my husband liked the smell of it on me when I tried it. So yeah, I've got a coupon and some rewards. So I'm gonna get me some of this actually myself. So even though I didn't need really any perfume or anything, but I think I've decided I'm going to get me some of it. So, excuse me, I really liked it. So, yeah, I just want to come on here real quick and let y'all know about their new fragrance called Bombshell Wildflower. So, y'all can go check it out. So, thanks for watching. Please share, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see y'all real soon. Thanks for watching.